Before the tools, the boundaries. On the left, what AI genuinely can do: summarize paper in second, find related work that a keyword search misses. So even if you type a keyword in your Google Scholar or whatever sci hub, anywhere, if you go and search with a keyword, you might miss few, research papers which is really relevant to your work. But if you use AI, that will find out, or that will summarize the paper exactly with the keywords which you're presenting to it. What other thing an AI can do? Can polish your drafts. So whatever you have given a glimpse, an idea to it, it can really make a complete version of your research idea. And it can write and debug analysis code. So you are, as sir has told me, like he is using one of the AI tool for analysis and coding. So as AI can quickly code and decode and debug the codes which you are giving, for the data collection, data analysis, it can help you in within a second to translate that to an effective outcomes which you're going to present it. And it also so I thought of demoing it, but let me quickly wrap up with other tools too. If time permits, we will work on each and every tool. Or you can by yourself just note down the tool's name. You can try by yourself the tools which we are discussing on. And this tool, which we are going to discuss now, mapping a field visually, is connected papers and research rabbit. You must be familiar with this. These are the next two tools for seeing a field rather than listing it. So connected papers works for a single topic, but that complete paper might not contribute to your research ideas. So what AI exactly does, it helps you find exactly the research paper which is relevant to your topic and idea. If another research groups calls the same concept by a different name, you will simply never see their work. So that way the AI saves your time. Add to that the month of manual reading at the start of every PhD ideas in a fluent academic English. So it will really help you in translating your ideas. You must be very well versed in your own language. So you can put your idea in your language to this AI, where it will completely convert your idea to a fluent academic English in an English language, and there is no shame whatsoever in using them for that. So because we are not always well versed in grammars, or we are not well versed in all the languages, so we might be well versed in our own language, but we have to write this paper in a different language, or it can be vice versa also. You might be well versed in the English, or you want to write that in your own language. In that case, this will, yeah, I will completely help you. Fourth is critic, asking the AI to act as a thought reviewer for your draft. So you have idea, you have drafted an idea, you can just put your drafted idea to AI, and you can and explain the methodology. What are the limitations? What does this equation means? It explains the jargons and mathematic inlines, which makes it a wonderful bridge for cross-disciplinary reading. I use it as a commerce researcher. As I told you, this is my one of the favorite tool. So as a commerce researcher, I use the size piece, reading machine learning papers, and you might use it in the reverse directions. So in a way which it is contributing to you. So basically, if any paper you have found out that you think that is very, very important, so that really